So gang, as many of you know, recently I've been updating the affiliate links on the website and just basically trying to get an email list together on my website. That said, a lot easier said than done, and the actual process of finding a lead magnet to actually entice people to sign up and give me their emails, definitely a little bit challenging. Now, having done the research this past month or so, I've basically managed to come up with 5 quick lead magnet ideas that you can basically implement on your website today as well. So let's jump into it. So lead magnet number 1 is just going to be an ultimate guide or ebook. Now this is a classic lead magnet that provides in-depth information to your audience, basically solving a problem or a quick problem that they might be struggling with. The easiest way to come up with an idea then for this is just to come up with a comprehensive guide around your niche, around your industry. For example, if you're in the snowboarding niche, it could be something as simple as how to land a particular snowboarding trick. Now think about your own blog and think about your own experience on the web. I'm sure there's probably been a time when you've downloaded an ebook, downloaded a freebie. Just use that knowledge basically going into when you are designing your own ebook or ultimate guide, and just ensure that it's super in-depth, provides a lot of information as opposed to just being a really quick general bit of content. So moving on to number 2, we're going to cover checklists and cheat sheets, which are my own personal favorite. Now, if you can't think of something that's super in-depth or any of those kinds of things, and you just want to get something up as quick as possible, then having a quick answer and a quick cheat sheet is probably going to be the best way to go for yourself. This works best then when your audience are looking for quick, actionable steps that they can implement pretty much in the same day. Create a checklist or a cheat sheet then that condenses valuable information in a quick step-by-step process. So for example, if you're in the outdoor niche, it might be the 5 top things you need to pack for a weekend away camping or whatever that might be. If it's quick and easy to action, visitors to your website will most definitely want to give you their email address. So lead magnet number 3 is just going to be video tutorials or webinars. In today's digital age, let's be perfectly honest, video content is probably a lot more widespread than written content is. Heck, you're watching this video directly on YouTube as opposed to just going through blog posts. So it just shows how fast and how quickly things change to video content. If then you were to create exclusive video content, exclusive tutorials that weren't available on your YouTube page, weren't available on other sources there as well, and were directly there as a freebie for your audience, they'd be more than willing to want to give you their email address. One of the things I do here is actually pair it up with a written piece of content or an additional infographic or piece of information, whatever it might be, just to further cement this as an overall complete package, and you can really work wonders in getting those additional emails in there. So lead magnet number 4 is just going to be templates or swipe files. Templates are probably the biggest way to save your audience and your readers time and basically solves a massive problem for them. So for example, if your blog was all around sales or copywriting, whatever it might be, you might want to offer a free sales email as that incentive to get people on your email address. As such then, create templates or swipe files that are really particular for your own individual niche. This could be email templates, graphics, social media posts, or even blog posts, any of those kinds of different elements that will have an immediate impact on your readers. And finally, number 5, last but not least, employee discounts and coupons and vouchers and any of those kinds of things, basically. If you're anything like your boy, you absolutely love a bargain and absolutely love a deal, right? As such, one of the best things that you can do if you are working closely with an affiliate, if you have your own info product, or if you're just offering a service on your particular website, would be to just give a 5 or 10% discount on said product in exchange for an email address. This one's going to be incredibly interesting because not only is it going to drive the amount of people that will subscribe to your email list, but it will also hopefully increase the number of sales that you have for said info product that you are selling on your website. If then you already own a digital product or your niche is within the software industry and you developed a quick bit of software, something easy to rack up, then this will work wonders in terms of generating your email list. So there you have it, blogging family. Those are just 5 quick suggestions for real good lead magnets that you can potentially use on your website. And I'm definitely going to be implementing some of the learnings from this video myself directly. But as always, if you are interested in more videos around, blogging, side hustles, personal development, any of those kinds of things, absolutely smash the like and subscribe button. And until next week's video, I'll leave you to it, gang. All the best for now. Have a good one. Bye.